So for this one, we see that we could break down that root 48, and we also have that root 6 on the bottom we want to get rid of at some point. So let's start off with breaking up that 48. So we can say 6, and the 48 we could recognize as 16 and 3. Again, if you broke it down into 4 and 12 and then break the 12 down into 4 and 3, you'll end up with the same answer, just an extra step. No big deal, whichever way you want to do it. Minus 2 root 6 all over root 6. All right, so 6 times, what's the square root of 16? That's 4. So 6 times 4, and we have 24 root 3 minus 2 root 6 all over root 6. Now, we have things broken down as much as we can. They aren't like terms on the top, so we can't bring them together. But we will deal with that root 6 on the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll multiply by root 6 and multiply by root 6. And root 6 squared is just a 6 there. And then we have root 6 times each one of those on top. So we could say 24. Root 3 times root 6 is root 18. And minus 2. Root 6 times root 6, you could just say is 6. Or some people might say is root 36 and then change it to 6 in the next step. Either way is fine. Let's continue it here. The 24, root 18, we could write as 9 and 2 because we know the square root of 9. 2 and 6 is 12, and that's over 6. So 24, and we're looking to multiply that by 3. And so we could do it that way, or we could end up just canceling a little bit here. Let's do that to keep our numbers smaller. So 6, and up here is 4 and 2, and that's a good way to do it. So now we can talk about 4 times 3, the square root of 9 being 3, is 12 root 2, and minus, we're left with a 2 there, and that would be our final answer because we canceled the 6 in the bottom, so there's nothing there left. So there's our answer.